So basically, how to identify support and resistance zones for entry and exit opportunities. I know a lot of you will probably new to forex trading, and so because of that, may find it difficult to understand it when we talk about support, resistance, and even those who understand support and resistance may also find it difficult to know how to use it to trade successfully. So I'm just going to go straight to the point, and we're not going to be spending too much of time. So we're going straight to the chart now, and we are going to take a look at support and resistance in the chart and how we can identify. So this is what a chart looks like. For people who are new to trading, you probably will look at this. Let me remove that I have there. Okay. So when you come to the chart, you're going to see it like this. Let me remove all of this and make it clear. So this is how you're going to see your charts when you open your trading view or MetaTrader 4. You're going to see these things, and to a layman, this looks just like lines. All you're seeing are lines. But for someone who understands forex trading, just looking at this, they already know where to enter for a buy, where to enter for a sell. They already know what the market is doing right now. Somebody looking at this place can tell you that this market is a downtrend. It is selling. This market is selling here. Someone looking at it from this area can say, okay, this market is buying here. Why? Because on this side we have the price, the exchange rate, and down here we have time. So when you see the market moving up like this, and especially with these green candles, more green candles, it means that the exchange rate is increasing. The value is rising. It's increasing in value. However, when you see it moving down like this, when you see that more moves in the market are tending toward downside, then we say that the market is dropping. However, for the focus of what we are doing here today, we are saying where is our support and where is our resistance. Now, so let's assume we are looking at this area. Let's assume that we come into the market and we are just looking at, let's say, just see this area. So let's say we are looking at this area in the market, and we look at everything and we say, okay, where is the support and where is the resistance? But before I go into identifying it for you, I need to define what the support means and what the resistance means. A support is basically the floor, that area where the price gets to, where it touches and then it bounces back. So if you look at this area now, this is a strong support. So I'm going to identify it with an horizontal line now. This area here is an area of strong support. Why? Because if you look at it, how many touches? There are 3. In fact, this is about the 4th one. This one also comes very close to it. So there have been several touches on this line, yet the market has not broken below there. So that's the floor. If you look at the whole of this area, that's the lowest point it has gotten to. So that's our support. It is like the footstool, like the floor where this market keeps getting to. And if you look up here, you may look at where is our resistance. Resistance is basically like the ceiling, that place where the market goes up to and then bounces back and begins to go down. So if I look at this area, I can identify this. So there are several areas here, but let's just say that we are looking at here now. So if you look at it, and the interesting thing is that if you scroll it back, you're going to see that many times there has been touches on that area. So let's say we have different area of resistance, but if you are looking at this here, if you are looking at this area here where we're looking at, This is our resistance. We are just looking at this area. This is our resistance area. There are touches here like three times around this place, and then it drops down. And then again, this comes very close to it, and then it drops again. So this is our resistance. Let's even leave out this one. We'll talk about that later. So let's this area now. If we're looking at this area of the market, this is our resistance area and this is our support. And if you look at this, this is where the market comes up to and bounces back down. And then it gets down here and bounces back up again. And it's been walking, it's been going in between this area. So we have our ceiling and we have our floor. And the ceiling is also referred to as the resistance, while the floor is also referred to as the support. Now, how do people trade this and make money there? Now, before I move on, I want you to also know that there are levels of support and resistance. It doesn't have to be just two. So you can look at another area that also looks really strong. That you can say, okay, this is also another area of support that I may be looking at if it's not going to get all the way to this. So if you look at this area, we have some points to where the market was just playing around before it pushed up like this around here. So I can look at this area and be like this, say something like this. If you look at it in this area, it serves as a support for this area, then like resistance around here. So I can say, okay, this is a one level of resistance for me, and this is another level of resistance. And if I go back, I can also see another level of resistance up here. So I have like three areas that I'm looking at if I decide I'm going to buy this. So let's say that this one now it comes to this area and then it bounces back up and begin to go up. If I'm looking at doing a buy, I may look at okay, where are the levels of support or resistance that I have that I can buy up to. So this helps you to determine where is your take profit going to be, where is your stop loss going to be. So if you are looking at this area and you say, okay, this is a support, if the market comes down to this area and if it doesn't break it, if it bounces back up, then I'm going to buy. So let's say that the market comes to this area right now and you see that the market finds it difficult to break this area. In fact, it didn't even touch that area before it turns back and begins to go up. So now you're looking for a buy opportunity here. You can say, okay, if this turns back up and if I see an opportunity somewhere here, then I'm going to do my buy. Maybe you have your entry strategy and you say, okay, if it does this, if it does that, then I'm going to enter for a buy. So now let's say that you decide to do your buy and you are now looking at, okay, where do I buy up to? You can look at this area. You can look at this area and say, okay, there's an area that looks strong here. Look at this place. You see that it has several touches there. There's a torch here, there's another torch, even this just got to there and it was a wick that formed upon it. And all this, there's so many torches on this area. And look at it, this is an area again. So if I'm buying here, I'll first look at getting here before I go all the way up like this. So having these levels of support resistance help you to understand where you buy up to. You already know, okay, this is my strategy, I'm going to enter for a buy. Then you say, okay, if I'm buying here, I'm going to buy up to this so area. Now let's assume that it is a support you are now looking at. You are looking at this area of support and you're saying, okay, because if when we look back, we realize that there were touches here, right? Several touches. So it's a touch, a touch, you can say, okay, this is my resistance. However, let's say you were somewhere down here and you see this broke down like this and then it goes up again for some little correction back up and it begins to go down and you say, okay, I'm going to enter for a sell here because this now looks obvious that it wants to sell. So you enter for a sell and you say, where do I sell up to? You look at this area and say, okay, this is a support for me. And before that area, I can see another level of support here. I can say, okay, this is a level of support for you. There's a touches, several touches there. Even this one closed on this just a week we have below here. around this area, So you can say, okay, this is a level of support for me that I'm going to get to first, even if I'm going to look at another. So by the time you are selling somewhere around here, you're first selling up to this, then you have, okay, my second take profit is going to be here. So that's basically how you look for your support and resistance and you trade them in order for you to be able to know where to exit and where to enter. It's very important. Another thing support and resistance help you to do is for you to set your stop loss. So if I'm looking at this area and I'm losing a buy opportunity that it looks like this thing wants to turn back up and give me a buy opportunity, what do? I go back down here and I say, okay, this is an area of support. If this thing should go down and break below here, then it's very likely to be a sell that will happen. So in that case, automatically take me out of this buy that I have entered. So that means I'm going to put my stop loss down here. I'm going to set my stop loss below the resistance, the same below the support. Sorry, the same thing with the resistance area. If I am doing a sell and I look back and I say, okay, in case the market turns against me, I begin to go up. Where do I put my stop loss? It has to be above this eye, which serves as my resistance. That's where my stop loss will be. That's basically that. If you have any question about identifying support and resistance or any other question that has to do with forex trading, please put it in the comment section. And don't forget we have our Forexversity that's it's that we have that is opening in fact just opening today, and if for the live sessions, but for people who have entered things, they've had access to all our recordings and all that. So if you have any question as how you can get started on our Forex varsity, please reach out to me and I would get you from everything it takes to be part of our training. All right, thank you so very much and have